Hi, would you like to learn what exactly you will go through? Okay, see, I do have a few points, but there are some other things also that can happen apart from all of these points that are discussed here. Hi, I am Preeti and I am going to share with you a few points about what are the things that you can experience while you are on your journey of opening your chakras. So make sure that you watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. If you are on the journey of opening your chakras, or if you are interested that you want to take on that journey of opening chakra, you will want to learn what exactly can happen, what you can expect, so that you can be prepared for, yes, what can come on your way. So let's see what are the different things. I have listed down all of it here. So yeah, so you will get an idea what exactly it is. So the first, okay, so before I share anything with you, you may feel like asking something about my spiritual journey, something about my chakras, which will not be answered. Okay, I always say do not share your spiritual experiences with everyone. So that same thing applies to me as well. I will not be answering any of your questions. I know that a lot of people share, it is their choice. My choices, I don't share. Okay, so let's get started with this. You will start getting your intuition will start becoming more and more active. You will start getting more and more guidance through your intuition. That is the first thing. When you start walking on the path of your chakras, the next is you will feel very positive. See, yes, there are certain things, when you are not on the path of chakra opening, you used to get disturbed when people used to judge you, when people used to they used to criticize you, you used to get disturbed. Okay, but now when that happens, even if people around you are negative, they are trying to judge you, they're trying to pull you down, you still may feel positive just because you have evolved. Okay, you have evolved from that state of being. You may be able to sense other people's energies, whether they are trying to show positivity on your face, but still if within they have any negative feelings for you, or they are actually suffering, they are actually sad and depressed, you will be able to sense their energies. Okay, see, once again, I tell you that even if you start sensing these energies, you don't have to take advantage of it. Okay, don't try to reveal something to people when they are not comfortable to share it with you. That is a knowledge that is coming to you. Share it only if they are comfortable. Don't start revealing, don't start uncovering what they are feeling in front of the public to show that how powerful you are. Don't do that. The next thing is instinct to regularly meditate. See, whenever it's necessary that your further chakras are supposed to be opened, you still will have that instinct, okay, that you want to open a few more chakras. You still have to keep going on and on. Suppose if somebody was supposed to open their, yeah, they were supposed to only open the first three chakras. Once they are done with those chakras, they will actually totally forget their spiritual journey. They'll totally forget meditation and all that, and they will again become a materialistic person. Okay, that is because their journey of opening chakras was only limited till here. So maybe they have the rest of the chakras they are supposed to open in the future births. So they will totally forget about their journey. Okay, but if you are supposed to open more chakras, you will still feel like continuously meditating, continuously, yes, evolving, crossing one milestone after another. All of that feeling will be inside you if you still have to continue on the chakra opening journey. You may feel kriyas happening. Kriyas are body movements, automatically occurring body movements while you are meditating. Okay, so those movements they do occur naturally, normally, without your will. Okay, so it can be also mudras, it can be also body movements, some kind of postures body is taking, all of that can occur. These are kriyas. Okay, so kriyas can occur. Okay, It depends how much kriyas occur. Some people are very mild in their kriyas. Some people have some very strong and vigorous kriyas. But whatever it is, yes, this does happen when somebody is meditating. You may also be able to read, you may be able to read people's minds. Okay. So see, it's a thing that will develop slowly. I think once you have opened your third eye, this thing will slowly start coming to you. Again, when this starts happening, your intention is not that you start telling people what exactly is in their mind just so that you can show off how powerful you are. Okay, sometimes people are thinking something really bad. Okay, some very bad and nasty stuff is in their mind, but still they are actually helpless about it. Okay, sometimes yes, it does happen that people are totally helpless about what their mind is thinking, but still they cannot do anything about it and they are embarrassed. Suppose if that thing goes public, so without anybody's permission, don't start revealing what they are thinking. Okay, just in case if that is happening with you. Certain customs and traditions. Okay, see, yes, there are several customs across all religions. Okay, several customs, several traditions, rituals, they are happening which are not right. Okay, they are inhuman and they should not be happening. Something that was to be declared redundant since many years is still happening, is still accepted in certain parts of the world, and you will not be able to accept it. Okay, which is totally fine. And maybe sometimes people in your family, they may be following those customs whereas you are totally out of it. And it can be your learning. Okay, it can be your learning that yes, despite of people, you having these people around you, you are still living with them but are not accepting something that should not be accepted. Okay, so yes, so these are the things that anybody who is on their chakra opening journey experiences. Okay, it can be a lot more than this. I just brought these random points. If you want that I make some more detailed video on this, do let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Share this video with as many people who are trying to work with their chakras. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.